Yeah.
Ice cream sundaes. Dairy Queen has a lot of amazing. How about you too?
Same thing.
Um,
Mm.
I picture you. Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen sounds good. Here up on the heights. This is excellent. They're
Trying.
not just big heads.
Not Wendy's, BK's, or McDonald's. No.
No,
Dairy
the
Queen.
phone gets old.
Yeah.
Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen. Is Dairy Queen still there?
Yes. Oh yeah, that's still there.
For real?
Yeah.
My husband never gets Dairy Queen.
Nope.
Sure, we never gets the good stuff.
Every time I try to go there, it's too darn busy, or I don't have time.
Call my mom, call my dad, tell
That's what
them
I'm
to
doing.
take you to Dairy Queen, have a get what you like. Is that takeout?
Yeah, it's take out and eat in. I just take out.
God. Ice cream something?
Yeah. The Blizzard.
Get a blizzard, get
Yeah.
something. Get a blizzard at Dairy Queen. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Here up on the heights.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got a red spoon with it.
You do.
And a birthday cake for Shirafa.
Yep.
$82%. Dairy. Here, they're still in business, right?
Oh yeah. They're busy
Thank
constantly.
you, Black Jesus.
They're constantly busy. They're no.
Please.
It's kind of hard to get in there.
On my phone? Dairy Queen, still in business, good. Can you go to Dairy Queen?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Right near Goodwill, they are. I mean it. Drive through, they should have everything. A whole lot of business when I was Is Dairy Queen gonna get bigger here, Paul Heights?
Yep.